All right, can we talk about something? Every second day, a new celebrity is launching their own brand. It's like everybody just woke up and said, मैं एक entrepreneur हूँ. Perfect lighting, fancy bottles, amazing photography, slow mo videos. The internet just goes crazy when their favorite celebrity launches their own brand. But eventually, the hype just fizzles out. But K Beauty by Katrina has not just managed to survive this chaos, but also thrive in it. And it's not just because she's Katrina Kaif. I think the reason is something that's much deeper, that's rooted in the human psychology. You see, these celebrity brands have an amazing, in fact, one of the best launch pads that one could hope for, and that's their fame. But fame can only take you so far. It can never help you survive or sustain in the market. And many a time, these celebrity products lie in the mastige category. So they are not essentially mass or prestige. They appeal to the masses, but they are priced just premium so that they're accessible. And they also have this aspirational value about them. Now, K beauty products are also not very cheap. But at the end of the day, it's not about the price, it's about the category. And this is exactly where Katrina was able to crack the code. यू सी ब्यूटी एंड पर्सनल केयर इतनी बड़ी सेगमेंट है ना, उसके अंदर इतनी कैटेगरीज होती है, बट इफ यू नोटिस, के ब्यूटी बाय कटरीना फोकसेस ऑन वन पर्टिकुलर सेगमेंट दैट इज कॉल्ड कलर कॉस्मेटिक्स, blushes, lipsticks, lip liners, mascara, foundation, etc. You name it and you have it. Have you ever thought that you don't just buy one lipstick, no matter how well it suits you, and just stick to it? You go and try new shades, and eventually you realize that you've built your own collection. Psychologists call this fundamental human nature as variety seeking behavior. Every time you try something new, your brain releases this amazing chemical called dopamine. Dopamine is why you keep on doom scrolling, purchasing endlessly online, maybe binge watching Netflix. And the color cosmetics segment thrives on this principle. And it's not just K by Katrina. If you look at Kriti Sanan's brand, that's Hyphen, have you ever thought what the hero product is? It's her lip glosses that come in a variety of shades. Everybody wants to try each and every shade that's launched, and pretty soon they have this mini collection because that is exactly where people love to experiment. It's quick, it's easily accessible, and it grants you instant gratification. A perfect recipe for repeat buying. Repeat customers are what help a brand build its community. So, in the end, it's not about the price of the product or the celebrity power. It is what keeps people coming back to it. And this is exactly what brands thrive on, keeping people hooked one way or the other. Thank you.